A few moments later.
No, I can't do this right! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, stop raging! Oh my god! What did you just do?
6.5 hours later.
What? No! No! Why? Stop raging! Shut up!
2,000 years later.
This is the worst game ever!
12 seconds later.
Look what you did! You broke your chair! Sit! Break it! Who broke it? Not again! Oh my god! Stop! Shut up! No! Hey, you loser!
Uh,
This game isn't fair! Oh my, why do you keep screaming? You've been screaming for the last 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, true. Be honest, Dad. Break over everything. You should be playing this. I'm gonna break your iPad. Hey! Shut up! You know, I am done. I'm done.
3:28 a.m.
Stop! You messed me up! Oh my!
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What did you do? Oh